I don't care how good you are. I don't care how talented you are. There is sometimes when things are not gonna go right, and you have to deal with it. You can experience enough pain in life that it can clobber you to the ground, and you believe you can't do it. You believe that this is it for you. No, it's not. Don't you quit. Don't you quit. You do make a difference. You do make a difference. As weak as you are, as tired as you are, as many mistakes as you have made, you do make a difference. There is something they would lose if you were not there. There is something that would miss if you were not there. You do make a difference. You don't have to force yourself or motivate yourself to think negatively, to be depressed, to hate somebody, to want revenge, to want to get back at somebody, to beat yourself up over the head, to feel loaded with guilt. You don't have to make any effort to do that. Your mind is on automatic. It will do that by itself. But if you want to begin to move into your own personal greatness, if you want to begin to really enjoy a happy, successful, healthy life, you have to go to be willing to against the tide. You have to go to be willing to harness your will and say, in spite of this, I'm in control here. Am I gonna let this get me down? I'm not gonna let this destroy me. You want it. In spite of this, I'm in control here. I'm not gonna let me get me down. I'm not gonna let it destroy me. You want it, and you are gonna go all out to have it. You need to make it a habit to start every single day validating yourself, because life is a marathon, and this might be a challenging leg where you are like, I'm just gonna throw in the towel. I'm not gonna do that thing. Hell no. You have got to the focus on you, and as you convince you, as you sell yourself every day you will begin to see a difference in the things that you are doing, telling yourself every day, here I go again, and I got what it's take. This is my day, and nothing out here is going to stop me. My back is up against this fool every day, and I gotta go that way, and I don't give, and I don't have attention who is the front of the me. There is a not gonna stop me. I want what all other men want, but when the opposition hit, when the challenges hit, when the pain creeps in, when the uncertainty creeps in, when they cut, when they scars, when the bruises come, I just want it a little. I just want it a little bit more than they want it. If you dare to be great, if you dare to do something that you have never done before, if you dare to go to the limits that you have never went to before, they will remember your legacy forever. If you are still alive, there is a still room for improvement. There is a still room for growth. There is a still room to grow and to be better. It's not going to be easy. When you want to change, it's not easy. I repeat, it's not easy. In fact, if it was easy, everybody would do it. But if you are serious, you will go all out. We turn tragedy into triumph. That's what lines do. Lions don't cry. Lions don't give up. Lions don't quit. Lions hunt. They what we do for a living. That's what we do for a living. When you are a true hunter, you don't go by time. You go by the gazelle. You hunt until you get a gazelle, and you don't stop until you get one. It takes gut. You gotta dig down deep to gut it out. Keep on going again and again and again. You have got to be willing to face rejection and no again and again and again. Defeat again and again and again. And every time life knocks you down, you jump up and say, it's not over until I win.